welcome back. This is probably my most exciting video in a while, and I'm super pumped. You're gonna see why. Actually, you probably already can tell from the thumbnail, but you're gonna see why in 2 seconds. Take a little look right there. That box might look familiar. 1552. You might be asking, Jack, don't you already have 1552 range HDs on your car? Well, yes, I do. Beautiful, all black. I may or may not have a unreleased colorway right behind me that's going on the GX. This is gonna be completely one of one. I think this is the first car these are going on, but I know for sure it's the first GX470 they are going on. What's super cool is we're using my car to like release them on social media, which is awesome. So huge shout out to 1552 for sending these boys out. I'm super hyped to throw them on. We're going to get them thrown on tomorrow morning. So we're gonna go to bed tonight like a kid on Christmas Eve. Let's see how proactive I can do this with one arm. Look for the grand reveal. Oh my God. These are gonna look insane on the GX. It's got this gloss black outer rim, but then this machine silver inner. And I think this two-tone and just the silver in general is gonna make the GX pop. Same exact wheels, same exact fitment, same exact specs. Everything's the same, just different colors. But we're gonna go get some B-roll out in this field of the wheels and get, you know, some teaser shots, get amped up, and then we will see you tomorrow to get these put on bright and early in the morning. We are heading to High Country Performance 4x4. They were nice enough to let me film inside the shop. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go to bed tonight, but roll some B-roll. We'll see you guys in the morning. Today is finally the day. We are going to High Country Performance 4x4 to get these Johnsons mounted up right now. We got the wheels in the back. Wheel switch ups are always nervous, but I know these will look good. So we're hyped. We're gonna film when we get there, film getting installed. Shout out High Country for letting me film inside the bays for these wheels, because we're gonna make some dope content. We'll see you guys when we're at the tire shop. Dude, this lighting is not doing it justice. These things look absolutely insane. Oh my. The new and improved GX on some silver wheels, some statement pieces. This is unreal. They look so fire. And we got silver metal valve stems as well. I think the only thing left to do is get a little photo shoot going, get some videos going, some B-roll of our new wheels. But we're gonna wait to do that till it gets a little bit darker outside so this lighting isn't so harsh, because these things look insane. I still can't, the wheels have been on for like, I don't know, 2 days, probably like 3-4 days now, and I still can't get over the look. It's so much different, but it just needed that little change to make it that much better. Like, honestly, it looks, I don't know, it just looks better. You can actually see like the texture and the depth of the wheels instead of the all black. I love the all black look of the wheels, but this just adds so much more character to the GX. If you want to grab a set of these yourself, link down in the description, and you can use my code for 10% off your entire order, which honestly will save you a couple bucks when buying wheels. And it helps support the channel as always. Oh, I can't get over this. I'm so hyped for what's to come with this build this summer, because it's gonna be a lot different. There may just maybe some metal bumpers coming, just maybe. The way I don't know, it just contrasts so well. Like the silver brake calipers and the silver wheels, the black outer rim with the black tires just look phenomenal with this paint color. We're not done just yet. Now we're gonna strap up the POV camera, get some POV shots of me taking pictures of the new wheels, because you'll probably see them on Instagram pretty soon, or probably before this video is dropped, because we're gonna be using those to release these wheels, which is awesome to say. So let's get that strapped up and get to taking some pretty nice photos. Sun is doing its thing. It's a little bit cloudy, but I still think it'll look good because this backdrop's kind of industrial. Let's throw on the chest cam, take some pictures, and then that's gonna wrap up this video. Oh, this thing looks insane. I can't get over it. I feel like a kid. Probably be like this angle. Yeah, this is nice. These angles just don't miss. We can't forget to do a 3/4 angle shot as well, because that will look really good. Oh my. One of these. Ah, ay caramba. Low shot. I don't know if camera picks that up. But your boy is. Oh. Fuck, I don't remember to do that. Some detail shots. That should be good. We're gonna get a couple horizontal. Then we're gonna go a 3/4 shot, and I think we should be good. Get another from back here, maybe like a wider shot. Boom. Another one close up-ish. Bang. Now we're gonna reposition it so it's like a 3/4 shot angled, and that will be our final shot. Here we go. Now this is what I like to call the money shot. So hard to go wrong with this shot. Low angle, see how that's looking. Kind of side angle. Love this shot. And I think that just might wrap everything up. Bang. That's gonna end this one off. I hope you guys enjoy these wheels as much as I do, because these just look insane to me. They make the car pop so much. The tires look bigger. It just looks, it doesn't look more aggressive. It looks more new and nice, maybe. I don't know the right word to use, but I think you guys know what I'm talking about. If you like the new wheels or the black wheels, comment down below. I want to hear you guys' opinions. But like I said before, you can get these wheels yourself at 1552. Link will be in the description, and make sure to follow them on Instagram because they make some pretty cool wheels. Let's be honest here. Use my code if you want to support me and my channel. It means a ton. Stay tuned for the next couple weeks coming, because I have some cool video ideas planned and I'm still trying to plan some things out, so just keep on the lookout. But we're gonna see you guys next week. Drive safe and comment down below which wheels you like better. Peace.